We had a question regarding learning material available for Solid Edge. And you can see I'm in the latest version of Solid Edge, but you should be able to find under the Discover, you should be able to find the word Learn, and then you'll see Help and Tutorials. And if I click on Tutorials, it'll take me to the tutorials website, and this is what you will see. These tutorials have been in the software for quite a while. You will notice it says synchronous mode, so depending on what you're interested in, as a reminder, Solid Edge has two ways of creating a solid part model. There's the synchronous modeling method, which is a little newer, very productive for a designer that wants to have the freedom. And then you have the ordered mode, which was has been in the system forever, which is very much sequence by sequence, parametrically driven, and you may prefer that. So it may not be apparent right away where those activities are. So if we look at the activity collection, you'll see some for sketching, which would apply to both synchronous and ordered, with some slight difference as how you create the plane that you sketch on. And then we have part modeling activities, but these are going to be all based on synchronous modeling. And we have sheet metal here, and assemblies for the most part for basic assembling. Synchronous doesn't matter too much if you're just placing parts, though there are some really powerful differences if you do have synchronous parts in your assembly. And of course, drawings, synchronous and ordered, does not make a difference. And document management does not make a difference. Frame pretty much doesn't make a difference. Wire and harness. But if you're interested in ordered modeling, because it's been in the software forever, and it is really great at ordered modeling. You're going to find these at the bottom. So if you just click on this link, Create Ordered Features, it should take you to the step-by-step activity. And if you've taken this class in the past and you'd like to just revisit it, this should be very familiar to you. And yeah, I think that's it. This should be where all your ordered based activities are. So constructing a mouse base, if you have taken the course before, you would probably recognize this from, you can even see the dialogue, looks like Windows XP. It's just a very old activity. It's a good activity, but it's just been around in the software for quite a while. So this is where you want to be. You just have to dig around a little bit. Hope that helps.